Hey y'all, country man. That's a good 4 or 5 inches of snow on those bleachers over there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a 2-foot snowdrift behind it. My trash can right there by the door has got a good 5-6 inches on it. And those ruts there in the yard or in the driveway are about 8 inches deep of snow. We got a pretty good snowstorm yesterday and last night. And this is what Northeast Ohio will do on a good day for you. But today, we got blue skies and just a few fluffy clouds up there. Like I said, hadn't seen it in a while. But I'm inside where it's nice and warm. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to make me some breakfast. And this video is for Greg. Let him know that the snow they got, mine's a little deeper out here. Countryman out for now. I got to go out in this crap tomorrow. I am not looking forward to it. Well, Northeast Ohio, what can you expect? If you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes. God bless, countryman out.